Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a sidewalk. Purpose of this video is to do it quickly so you can stop and start it whenever you need to. So horizon line, vanishing point as always. We're going to set up our road. Make sure to draw lightly. I'm drawing darker just so you guys can see it better. Okay, so now we have our road. If it helps you, you can set up your road dots. So I'm going to do it in the middle, so that'll be about let's do about here. Remember, small, and they should get bigger as they go down. Alright, now we're going to make our sidewalks. We're going to roughly make them the same on both sides. Now, we need to make both lines of each sidewalk the same on each side. Easiest way to do this is decide where you want your marks. And just like we did our road dots, they should be smaller back here and slowly getting bigger. For the sake of this example, I'm making my sidewalk blocks a little bigger so it's easier for you guys to see. You can add as many as you would like. Now we're going to match up our ruler to each of these marks, making sure it's parallel to the horizon line, not dipping down and not angled up. So about there, make a small mark on each side. We can erase later. Don't try and do each side on their own. Do both sides for each time you line it up. Remember, they should be straight across. Draw nice and light until you know it is right. Alright, now we can go in and start erasing just the little marks that we went over our sidewalk. Especially make sure to erase these inner ones or it's going to mess you up when you go to do your curb. Alright, now we're going to make the inside curb on each side. We're going to line up to our vanishing point as always. Some of you are asking, why do my curbs look a little weird? It's because you're making them too big. Your curb should be only a fraction of the size of your sidewalk. So I'm going to make my curb nice and small, lining up to the vanishing point. Ta-da! Same thing on this side. If it takes you a minute to line it up, that's okay. I'll erase these a little bit. Let me fix that. Alright, now we're going to do the opposite for the curbs. For the sidewalk we drew horizontally. For the curbs we need to draw vertically. We need to make sure these lines are straight up and down and parallel to the outer edge. So they're not going to slide in and they're not going to be out. Some of you are still drawing your line just down like this. That's no. Don't do that. It might be easier just to go, but don't do it. Straight up and down, horizontal to the edge of the paper. It's going to look weird at first, but trust the process. Same thing here. Straight up and down. And we're going to do this on both sides. As you get farther back, if you can trust yourself to draw a straight line down, you can. If you're having trouble, go back to using your ruler. Okay? Same thing for this side. I'll use my ruler. Make sure that line's a little better. If this line is not straight, don't go by that line. Just like that. And that's how you make a sidewalk.